What's up, guys? Tony here with iTech Check. Has anybody out there ever lost any data from their hard drive, or their computer crashed and you lost tons of pictures, videos, documents? I know it can be very frustrating. I know it firsthand because it's happened to me once too many times. After that, I pretty much back up everything that I have right now because programs, stuff like that you get from the internet, you can always download, but pictures, videos are very important to keep. And if you lose that, I know how frustrating that can be because those are all your memories. So here I kind of wanted to talk to you about a data recovery software called Recoverit by Wondershare. And it's pretty simple to use. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars sending out your hard drive to somebody. You pretty much hook it up to your another working computer, and then you can recover the files that way. Or if your computer crashes and you aren't able to access that hard drive anymore, you can make a bootable USB or CD-ROM and put it into the computer and recover it that way. You can pretty much recover files from anything, whether it be a USB flash drive, a micro SD card, an SD card, possibly even your phone. If you can plug it into the computer and it comes up as a drive, you can recover files off of it. Pretty much almost any file, pictures, videos, documents, emails, everything like that. Also, some viruses that you get totally wipe your drive. This will allow you to recover those files very easily. One little piece of advice I did want to give you is if you have your hard drive crash or you formatted the drive or anything like that, stop using it immediately. Unplug it and don't use it, because the more you use it, the more chance those files have to be overwritten and the less chance you have to actually recover those files easily. So immediately stop using it. Like I said, take it out, and then once you get the software, you can hook it up to your other PC or your new PC or whatever, and then access those files with the Recoverit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual program and see how it works. Okay, so here we are on the website. This is the Recoverit by Wondershare. They do have a few different things that you could use to recover certain parts of your data. You might not need the whole suite, but they do have something for pretty much everybody. First of all, I want to let you know that it is a free download. You don't need to buy it right away. With the free trial that it comes with, it will let you download up to 100 megabytes of data or recover 100 megabytes of data. So you kind of get to see if it's actually going to be beneficial for you without purchasing it. So you can go ahead and do that free download right here. It's for Windows 10, 8, and 7, Vista and XP, also Mac OS. So then if we scroll down here, it'll show you the different pricing plans that it has. It starts off with a 1-year subscription, a lifetime license, or 1 month. And here we have the Recoverit for free, and it shows you everything you can do with the free Recoverit. You can recover 100 megabytes of data. It shows you the recoverable files here. Supported devices. It does do a deep scan, but it doesn't do bootable media. In case you want to, recover your data from a crashed PC. Now, if we move on to their next tier, which is the Recoverit Pro, unlimited amount of recoverable data, but it also does not do the bootable media. Then if you need a step further with the Ultimate, you can pretty much do everything. So depending on your needs, you can choose which one you actually need. And even if you need to purchase the Pro or Ultimate, the free might be good for you. So I've already downloaded the program, so we'll go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so here is the Recoverit. See here we have our disk tools, which pretty much uses the tools that come in your Windows. Check for updates, but this is pretty much what it looks like. So here we have my hard drive that's actually in the computer. I also have a test USB flash drive that we're going to be looking at. Your selected locations, you can just do the recovery bin, your desktop, or you can select a folder specifically you're trying to recover from. There's advanced recovery options. Recover from a crashed computer, where you make a bootable flash drive, or a video repair. So if we go ahead and look at my test flash drive, we have some files in here already. We have some pictures, we have some documents, we also have a video in here. So this is on the flash drive. I'm going to go ahead and delete all this. There are 7 things. Yes, so deleted. So here we have the Recoverit. We'll go ahead and go into that flash drive. It'll go ahead and scan it. As you can see, it's already found some things on the flash drive. Now, if you see the things you've already wanted to recover, you don't have to continue with the rest of the drive. You can pause it or stop it. Now, the cool thing about this is it also does previews. So I want to see what this picture is, and it shows you right here. It gives you a little preview of that picture. We can also do the video file. We'll see if it comes up. So if the file exceeds 30 megabytes, you can't preview it, which, you know, it's not a big deal. You can just recover it and then look at it. Okay, so I did let it complete. It says scan completed. Sorry, we could not find your files. Feedback to us for further check. So it did actually find my files, even though it said that. We'll hit got it, and I let it complete just to show you guys. So, okay, so I've selected all the files I want to recover here. There was 7 files. And then once you select everything that you want here, you can go ahead and hit recover. So you can do it either by the file path or file type, specifically what you're looking for here. I'm going to do by file path. And go ahead and recover it. So another tip, do not save your files in the same place that you're recovering from. So we're taking from the test drive here. So we're going to want to go ahead and select a different drive. I'm selecting the C drive, and then I have a recovered files folder that I'm going to use. So we'll select that, hit recover. It recovers the files for you. Okay, so here is the recovered folder, and as you can see, we have our pictures. They are opening, just to show you that they were recovered. We have our document here, the video. As you can see, it's playing. So that's pretty nice. So another thing I kind of want to show you is if you delete the partition, you will no longer be able to access your drive anymore. But with the Recoverit, you can still recover files. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. So here's our drive. I'm going to go ahead and delete the partition. Yes. And hit apply. Partition has been deleted. Close that out. We'll go into our file here, and as you can see, the drive is gone. It's no longer accessible. But if we look in our Recoverit, I'll go ahead and refresh. Lost partition. So you can still access those files even if your partition is lost. So I double click on it. As you can see, there is that the MP4 that I had from my previous session. So it found the one file. And then here are those pictures that I had in here. There, as you can see, the document, the other document that I had in here, and all the pictures along with the video. So even though the partition is deleted, you can still access those files with Recoverit. So we'll go ahead and stop that. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you where we select a location, specifically my recycling bin. So this is just specifically scanning the recycling bin on my C drive. So pretty much everything that I've deleted should show up in here. So as you can see, it's already found the Recoverit files that I previously did. And there are the files that I had in there prior to making this video. So even though you deleted things from your recycling bin, you can still access them prior to them being overwritten. So if you happen to delete something accidentally, make sure that you don't delete anything else from the recycling bin because it can potentially overwrite it. So if you happen to, accidentally delete something, stop right then and there, load the Recoverit software, and you will be able to recover the things you deleted accidentally. And you can do the same thing with your desktop. These are just quick little things. You can also select any folder that you want to from pretty much anything plugged into your hard drive to find. So now if we go into your actual account, you can see all of the different apps that are also available for you to either purchase or install. The Recoverit Video Repair, Mobile Transfer, Photo Recovery, transferring things from your iOS, iPad device without iTunes limitations, video converter, and then there's some trials you can do, Recoverit Advanced, iOS screen recorder. There's a whole bunch of different things that they offer even inside the actual app itself. And then here you see what your valid apps are. And then the video repair. This is nice if you have videos that have been corrupted and no longer work. You can add the corrupted video, you can try to repair it, and then resave it, which is also a nice feature that they offer here. Especially for people who have been working on videos, like making YouTube videos and such. You work a long time on some of these videos, and when they become corrupt, that's a lot of stuff lost that you might potentially have to redo. And if you use this, you can potentially repair that video to use to save you a ton of time. So like I was telling you before, if something happens to your hard drive in your computer, you probably want to stop using it right then and there. If you have like a laptop that has a hard drive that you can take out, you can get something like this. This is something simple that plugs right into the laptop hard drive. This is an SSD, and it gives you the ability to plug it right into the USB and access all of your files and use Recoverit. If you have a bigger hard drive that requires an external power source, they do sell adapters for those that also work with laptop hard drives. You can probably get them on Amazon, get them at Best Buy. Really simple SATA drive, plug them right in, plug the other end into the USB and the other end into the wall outlet, and you can access all your files or use Recoverit to recover those lost files as well. So pretty much no matter what, if your hard drive has been wiped out by maybe a virus, or you accidentally deleted something on a hard drive, or the hard drive crashed, or anything like that, you can use this software by Wondershare to recover pretty much any files that you have. Like I said, whether it's documents, videos, pictures, emails, pretty much anything can be recovered by this Recoverit, and it is super easy to use. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you took something away from it, because like I said, if you lose precious files like pictures and videos that you cannot get back, I understand how frustrating it is, and this software will allow you to recover those files easily without spending hundreds of dollars. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you out with anything I can. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.